is it possible? Is it possible that the legislature was saying that under this very limited scenario, we're going to expand the WPA greater than what it says on its own in the four corners of that act? I mean, I want to just make sure I understand it. It refers to the WPA, not because it wants to say there's a claim under the WPA. It refers to the WPA to signal us something else, a private right of action.
It signals that an individual who follows the provisions, who gives written notice, who then waits 60 days and gets a response, who gets a written letter, and then files with a public body, has a private right of action in distinction to prior decisions that had said there is no independent right of action. So in this portion of the Public Health Code, the legislature made clear that a person who is retaliated against would have a private right of action, but it would be enforceable under the Whistleblower Protection Act. In due to which, if that existed, Mr. Landin would have no claim. That is, if he was allowed to become a whistleblower and he then filed with the